Hello YouTube. Alright, I'm making this quick video to show you how you can replace your seatbelt. So I'm working on a 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage. So as you can see, this on the driver's side. So my seatbelt, it was basically, this is the new one, but it was stuck. It was in an accident, so I bought this car in an accident, so it was stuck. So I ended up getting from Facebook a used seatbelt. The guy from Arizona ended up shipping it to me. I saved a lot because the new one's like over 200-300 bucks. So yeah, he had the same vehicle in his junkyard, in his yard. So yeah, he sent it to me. So basically what you have to do is, as you can see on the passenger side, so you have to remove this part, you have to remove this part, very simple. And then when you remove this part, yeah, there's also this part, but you don't need to remove this part. So in order to take out this seatbelt, make sure, as you can see here, there's the plug. You put some pin on this model. You can see you put a pin on top on this yellow part, a small pin, and then ply and then pull towards you. So basically the goal is to bring this yellow part out towards you, and then you can quickly take it off. But before you do that, make sure you disconnect your negative battery, and then wait for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then basically you can disconnect this plug. There's a small hole for a pin. That's what you have to do first. And then next is, as you can see, there's one here, and then behind here there's another one. So once you remove these two, and then the second one here, you guys see that, and then the third one is here. It's a 3-point seatbelt, so third one. So remove that, then it's done from the bottom. And then from here, I think on some models you can be able to pop this off, but I was having a hard time popping this off. But you can pull it as far to get to the bolt. I don't know if you can see it, but there's another bolt here. So I ended up putting a screwdriver, like a wrench, 14mm wrench, and then so once you do that, basically this will disconnect. So yeah, that's basically it. And then the new one, remember when you see the new one, which one is left or which one is right, is written here. RH is for the right hand side, and then LH is for the left side, so you can't really confuse them, right? So and then just take a picture of how everything was, so that you can match it to how everything is. And then that's it. It's very simple. You can do it yourself, just removing the panels. But one mistake I did was I removed this, and it was a lot of unnecessary stuff. You don't need to remove this part, just remove from the bottom, because there's only one bolt holding you from here. All right guys, hope this helps. Take care.